My name is Matthew Beyer with Country Fresh Meats. We've been in business since 1982. The main reason we picked this type of product is its capability to integrate into current systems that we do have, the ability for them to tie into our smoke houses and tie into our MagTech internal probes that we were using. The flexibility of the system is what I liked. And with the consultation that's offered, it helps us get more in line with what inspectors are looking for. FoodSafe Pro would save us time and money in the future. Once we get it up and running, we'll be able to do a lot more diagnostics of our systems or our processes. I'm hoping to shorten some of our cycle times in smoke houses, speed that up, maybe cook at a little bit lower temperature so we don't have to cook quite as long or at a higher temperature. Savings that way as far as energy and time, and also in labor, filling out paperwork. It simplifies things that we should be able to do our checks and do our pre-ops a lot faster than we were, and then address problems more quickly than what we can currently.
The data is all in one spot, which is really nice because you're not walking around the plant trying to find papers or trying to compile data from multiple different areas. When you create some of those reports, it's going to pull all of that information together, which is going to cut your time in half trying to find that information, and doing mock recalls or something to be prepared if there's anything that you would need to do in the future. It's going to be great to be able to tie all those ingredients, all that packaging, everything together, and have those lots and ship dates and everything right there in one spot. And I think that as we've been looking at it with our inspectors, they like the ease of being able to have the HACCP plans right there as they're looking at data that we've looked at, having that ease of everything in one spot. Support is great. I've never had any trouble getting any answers. If I have questions, if I'm having an issue finding some data, or if our tablets have a little malfunction and aren't working right. Drew's even helpful at 4 o'clock in the morning if we need them. So the support that we get from FoodSafe Pro using their product is tremendous. Not that I ever want to find any microbial results when we do any environmental swabbing, but with the query that's built in to be able to separate data, it's going to be very helpful if we're trying to pinpoint areas that we need to look at closer when it comes to sanitation, to promote higher quality products. As we get into collecting more data with our pHs and our cook times and cook temperatures, it's going to be really, really useful as in R&D and making sure we can, looking at shortening cook times, we can do that, get our product a little bit higher quality, and looking at the consistency and making sure that we always have a good quality, consistent product.
It has been quite easy for me to just look at the program and be able to figure it out, find where things are, teach myself where to enter information, find information, organize information. If you can use a mouse, and if you're used to navigating any other familiar programs, you can figure out FoodSafe Pro. With FoodSafe Pro, you can find everything in one spot. Teaching your coworkers is easy how to use it. There's several other individuals here that work in the production facilities that have learned the program with ease. And we're not scrambling around looking for paper or worried about who put what in what folder. So it's nice to grab a tablet or look on the desktop and know where your information is.
The consultation has been great. We've been able to head off problems as far as how we address inspection issues and how we word things to make things easier for the inspector to understand and complete their job.